hail damage.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Logan County, southeastern Hardin County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenton, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kenton, Mount Victory, Ridgeway, Hepburn, Grant, Silver Creek, Metzer, Big Springs, and Pfeiffer.